Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the DLL Voices38.dll was not loaded exiting fix error that can appear when launching a game. If you're facing this problem, don't worry. I'll walk you through several solutions, so let's get started. Method 1. Check Windows Security. First, open the Windows Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open it, then select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Protection History. Here, Windows Security shows files that have recently been blocked or quarantined. Look through the list and check whether a file belonging to your game has been blocked. If you recognize the file and you're sure it's a legitimate game file, select it and choose the appropriate option to allow or restore it. However, don't restore files that Windows identifies as malicious unless you're certain the detection is a false positive. Method 2. Add the game folder as an exclusion. Next, go back to Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down until you find Exclusions, then click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Select Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and browse to the folder where your game is installed. Select the game folder and confirm it. This can prevent Windows Security from repeatedly quarantining legitimate game files. Also, if you have a third-party antivirus installed, check its quarantine or protection history as well. Method 3. Check Smart App Control. Now, open Windows Security again and select App and Browser Control. Open Smart App Control settings and check its current status. If Smart App Control is blocking a legitimate application, you'll need to review the warning carefully before making any changes. Don't disable security features unless you're confident the game and its files are safe. Finally, if the error still appears, verify or repair the game files through your launcher. If important files are missing or corrupted, reinstalling the game from an official and trusted source may be necessary. After repairing or reinstalling, restart your PC and launch the game again. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the DLL loading error and your game is now launching normally. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more gaming troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.